friends, I would like to talk to you about the water cycle. Did you know that water has a cycle? There is a lot of water in the world, right? We have oceans and lakes and rivers, and of course we get a lot of rain coming down from the clouds. And there is a cycle for that water. I've written a title here on the board, Water Cycle, and I would like to draw a picture of the water cycle. I'm going to start with a big cloud up in the sky here. There's my big cloud. Did you know that a cloud is actually a whole bunch of little water droplets all close together? They're all come together to make that cloud, and there's a fancy name for that cloud. It's called condensation. I'll say it again, condensation. Can you say that word? Condensation. That's a fancy word for clouds. And of course, once the cloud is all full of water, the rain is going to come down. So I'm going to start drawing my raindrops coming down from the cloud. Come on down, rain. There it is. And we know the word rain, but do you want to know a fancy word for the word rain? It's precipitation. Isn't that a fun word? Precipitation. Can you try it with me? Precipitation. That's a fancy word for when the rain comes down. When the snow is coming down, that's precipitation too, but I'll just talk about rain right now. And when the rain has come down to the ground, it usually makes a puddle, right? There it was, splashing into the puddle there. There's my puddle. And the puddle does not stay there forever. If you've been out splashing in a puddle and you go back out later, you'll probably notice the puddle is gone. Where did the puddle go? It's not actually magic. What's happening is all of the little tiny water droplets that were in that puddle are going up, up, up. We don't see it happening because those water droplets are so small. But when the sun comes out, it helps all of those little water droplets go up, 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 up. It's called evaporation. Another fun word, evaporation. Can you say it with me? Evaporation. That's the fancy word for when those little water droplets that were on the ground are now going up, 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 up. And where do they go? They come back together in the cloud, right? And then when the cloud is full, the rain comes down, and then the sun comes out, and all the water droplets go back up into the cloud. That's the cycle. So let me put some arrows. So the rain comes down. That's the precipitation. And then those little water droplets go back up, up, up. Let's do an arrow over here. Up, up, up. They go back up. That's called evaporation. And they all come together in the cloud. That's condensation. That is the water cycle. I'm going to do it with my hands a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to do precipitation. That's the rain coming down. And then the sun comes up and, oh, here goes the water back up, 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 evaporation. And all those little water droplets go into a cloud, condensation. And then we've got precipitation coming down. And then the sun comes out and, oh, those water droplets are going back up. Evaporation, up, 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 and into the cloud. Condensation. And then precipitation, evaporation, and condensation. I have two jobs for you. I would like you to draw a picture of the water cycle, and I would also like you to act it out like I was doing with my hands. Okay? Have fun with the water cycle.